Hi guys, welcome to CryptoShiv. My name is and I'm your host for this channel. This video is all about DeFi. We're going to be talking about the main three, my personal picks, DeFi coins. We're going to be talking about a fourth secret coin at the end of the video. So watch this till the end. And I have a very special surprise announcement for you. Surprise because it was a surprise to me too. I learned about this yesterday. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. If you like our content, click on the subscribe button, and if you like our previous videos, click on the thumbs up button so it gets the motivation machine, that is me, moving. So we're going to be talking about three main coins. The first coin being Luna or Terra Luna. This is Luna plotted on a daily time frame. We're going to be using four indicators here. The first one being the Fibonacci retracement, EMA on the 20-day EMA, 55-day EMA, and volume. This volume is kind of hard to see, so I'm just gonna make this a little brighter. Yep. What we can see here is that after touching an all-time high on the 21st of March this year, Luna has seen a pretty terrible downwards trend since then till the time we touched around 5th August, because of the fact that this trend line had been holding Luna down for a really long time. After breaking out from this trend line, we have seen a massive uprise, and now we are forming an ascending triangle, which has given us a target of about $64. We did break out of this triangle and already made an all-time high at $54.77, but that all-time high was obviously faced by a rejection, as all all-time highs are, because after you reach an all-time high, there's always going to be a rejection, because people are going to be scalping their profits and making, taking out money from that project. So after touching this all-time high, we are resting strongly on the 20-day EMA. We should be seeing some more rejection further, going down to the 46.5 level or even to the 40 level. But the 46.5 level is going to be where I buy my Terra Luna, and I'm going to be putting my stop loss at the 40 level. I'm going to be longing around the $64 level, as that is the all-time high dictated by the ascending triangle. The MACD on this chart is also touching and opening bearish, so there is some chance that it will go down. We could also touch and go away, like separate and diverge, but that seems kind of less likely at this point. The all-time high that was created because of the fact that Luna on Tuesday, the community voted to burn around 90 million Luna 89 million, which cost around $4.5 billion. So the burning is basically removing a certain part of the coin's supply from the main circulating supply. Like 90 million Luna will never be in the circulating supply again. So burning of this coin obviously decreases the supply of a coin and pumps the prices. And we saw a price rise from $50 to $54.77, after which we saw the rejection. Luna is a pretty big project that I am bullish on. We are looking and we are targeting the $65 mark, and we should get there in a week or two. The other coin I'm going to be talking about in this video is my second favorite DeFi project, Avalanche. Avalanche is pretty similar to Luna when we compare the charts. On a daily time frame, you're going to see that the charts kind of look similar. We touched an all-time high really early in the year. We touched about on the 9th of Feb, we touched $60 and saw a major rejection. We were being held down by this major resistance, and we broke out, which has led to a lot of bullish movement. There was a lot of buying volume coming in. If you look at these volume candles right here, and we rose a lot, consolidated, and have formed two bull flags. The first bull flag is the recent one. If you see this, check out this daily time frame, you can see that we are forming this pole and this flag, and we have a target of about $117 on a bullish side and about $112 on a conservative side. Also, the fact that on a weekly time frame, we can see that there's this other bigger bull flag forming, which gives us a target of about, let's say, $99.6 on the bullish side and around $9 on the conservative side. So the price right now is 82. We should be seeing a massive pump to Avalanche coming in a while. The other news I was trying to tell you was Avalanche and Luna charted figures of 428% and 208% quarterly returns on investment, respectively. So in the past 3 months alone, Avalanche has risen 428% and Luna has risen 208%. Major projects, majorly bullish. There's a lot of investment and institutional buying happening. Get in on these projects early and hold so that you create generational wealth. We're not talking about getting rich. We're talking about creating wealth and educating ourselves about crypto. Again, this is not financial advice. These are just my opinions, and I am just helping you guys, learn more about this subject. It's financial education. So the third project right here is my favorite one, my first, the top DeFi token I would ideally go to, and that is Chainlink. So Chainlink has been pretty moving as a coin. We saw an all-time high recently, well, a couple of months back, 6 months back. As compared to the other coins, it's pretty recent, right? On the 11th of May, we touched an all-time high of $52. Since then, we saw a massive rejection, went down to about $13.3, which was a massive opportunity to buy because this cup and handle pattern that's forming is giving us a majorly bullish target, and also the fact that we have an ascending triangle forming as well. So this pattern has two long-term this candlestick chart has two long-term patterns forming, targeting $50 on a conservative side and $55 on a bullish side. We will be seeing both those targets happening in the coming weeks, but also the fact that the MACD is kind of converging at this moment. So we could be either seeing at a fake out where we dip below the MACD line and go bearish for a bit, but we should be able to go forward after we fall down to this resistance at the 32.1 level. So we're at 33.28 at the time of recording. We should be able to see a downtrend to 31, and we should be able to bump up and see prices as high as 50 and 55 in the coming weeks. Also the fact that Chainlink has collaborated with Swisscom, this biggest telecom company in Switzerland, and Swisscom is running their own node on the Chainlink blockchain to take out DeFi data. In this news, it happened a couple of months ago, but Swisscom is joining Chainlink, the world's largest Oracle network, as a part of its a pilot initiative. The Chainlink network provides important data for what are known as decentralized finance applications, through which transactions worth several billion US dollars can be processed daily. Several billion US dollars processing daily, and such as Aave or Uniswap. So yeah, those are two other coins which do the same thing, but Swisscom chose Chainlink. Coming to the fourth point, or the fourth cryptocurrency in this video, the hidden altcoin gem that I've been talking about, the Graph protocol. So the Graph protocol is basically it's a pretty bullish project, a pretty bullish DeFi project. But the fact is, since its all-time high in February, we touched $2.88. We have seen major corrections, and we are still at a low enough price that we can hodl a lot of GRT token, so that when it comes to back to its all-time high, which could happen in a couple of months, we are going to be seeing a massive return. Even if the GRT token reaches its all-time high, we are going to be seeing a return of about 170% from the point of this price at what, 1.06. So personally, I'm going to be holding a lot of GRT. Do your own research before investing, and this token has the potential to become what the other three tokens are. It could take a while, but we are definitely going to get there with this token. So just be wise when you're making an investment decision. And now I'm going to be getting to the special announcement I had to make. I am in talks, and I have started collaborating with a Discord group called Crypto Insight, spelled with a K. The link of the Discord group is going to be in my description. So it's basically a group of 8 like-minded people who have a lot of interest in cryptocurrency. We do our own chart analysis and have our own news coming in. And the biggest part of this is that there is a community of 200 members under those people, like people who are listening to our advice, but also they are from separate countries. We have people from 3 different continents and 5 different countries, providing an international perspective. So if you're trying to look forward to much more news about the crypto market and where to invest and like price action calls, coin of the days, and all that stuff, go check out the channel. It's going to be very beneficial for everyone. We do offer everything, all our services for free, but we do have paid services for people who are more enthusiastic about the fact that they want to learn something new, or they want price action calls on a faster rate or something else. So all of that is coming to the channel. The link is in my description. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. CryptoShiv out. Happy investing. Thank you. Bye.